This is our second home. Same thing with the students. You're here for 4 years. This is your second home. We're all family. We need to stick together. So thank you for everybody.
I don't deserve to have to worry about paying $50 to $100 to get my medications, or to be seen, or to make sure that my chronic illness is under control.
That's right.
Nobody here does. Nobody here can afford that. It's insane and it's impossible that they're even asking us to take that on. They have the money. They should be able to make sure that we stay healthy.
You're going to find out. Lesson number 1. If they don't come to terms by Tuesday, if they don't stop messing around at federal mediation and come to the table to bargain for full-time jobs, for health insurance that all our families need. We're going to teach their economics department. We're going to teach their physics department. We're going to teach Goldman Sachs and the CEOs at the endowment that there is no power on earth that is stronger than the Workers United.
What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No peace!